left the condo. We're on our way to Tagaytay, and no rain is going to stop us from our staycation weekend, right, Sebi? Where are we going?
We're going to hotel, guys.
Where?
Going to sleep on the bed.
Yes, guys. So where are we going?
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay?
Tagaytay.
Yeah, baby. But look, it's traffic. But we'll get there. We'll get there. So, what are we gonna do in Tagaytay?
I want to swim.
Okay. Hey, driver.
You're beautiful, driver.
Alright, okay, we're ready to go. Probably take us 2-3 hours to get there. Hopefully before dinner. See you guys later. Arrived here at Lake Hotel. Took us around 3 hours to get here because of the rains and traffic, but as you look, this is the lobby area. Very nice. I'd like to show you the view, but it's nighttime, so to the left, that's the lobby area. You see it here. Very spacious lobby. Very cold right now. The wind passes through, but it's open at the back and in the front towards Taal. Hopefully tomorrow won't rain that much and we can see a view of the volcano. That's the front. We'll try and see that here. Lobby Let's tour. So what's here? Here, what's this one? Okay, what's this? Okay, so we have a TV. Okay. Seb, let's tour around. Show me the room.
This is a chair Bluetooth. This is
The bed?
This is
Desk? Oh, what's inside? What's inside here?
This is the toilet. This is the shower. This is the wash house.
Wow, okay, what else? Where can we go from here?
Hey, here.
What's outside here? What's outside?